Friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve a numerical problem from triangulation. Let's start. Two triangulation stations A and B are 100 km apart and have elevation of 140 meter and 425 meter respectively above mean sea level. A peak C 60 km from A has an elevation of 150 meter. Check the intervisibility of A and B if required. Determine the height of signal at B so that the line of sight clears by 3 meter. Take radius of earth as 6375 km and coefficient of refraction m is equal to 0.07. First of all, we draw this diagram. This is line A and B. Height of A is given 140, height of B 425. The distance between A and B is 100 km. A to C is 60 km. We draw a tangent from A to this MSL. This line A, B2 is tangent. First we find this value AP. The distance to the point of tangency D, formula is 3.853 square root H. H is here. A1 which is given 140 meter. We put the value 140 meter. Here we get AP. This AP distance 45.59 kilometer. By this we get value of PB1. PB1. AB minus AP. 100 minus 45.49. This comes 54.41 kilometer. Similarly, PC1 is equal to AC minus AP 60 minus 45.59 14.41 kilometer. We consider all these values AC, AC1, AC2, AC3 and AC4 equal. Now C1, C2 by the formula 0.06735 D square. We put the value of PC1 here. PC1 is this value 14.41 and we get it 13.98. This C1, C2 we get 13.98. Similarly, we get B1, B2. This value B1, B2 by the same formula we get it 199.39. Now B to B, this distance on the diagram B to B, 425 minus 199.39. This value is 225.61 meter. Now again we see the triangle in the diagram A, C2, C3 and A, B to B. These both triangle are similar. Therefore, by the property of similarity we see that C2, C3 upon B to B is equal to AC upon AB. We get the value of C2, C3 by this 135.37. This C2, C3 135.37. Elevation of C3 will be C1, C2 plus C2, C3. We get 149.35 meter. Now height of C is 150 meter. It is given in the question. So line of sight from A to B fails to clear it. Line of sight should clear C by 3 meter. Therefore, elevation of C4. Elevation of C4. This will be 150 plus 3 meter, 153 meter. And value of C3, C4 from this diagram C3, C4 this will be 153 minus 13.98 minus 135.15, 3.87 meter. Again from the diagram we see these two triangle A C3 C4 and A B B3. These both are similar. Therefore, B B3 upon C3 C4 is equal to AB upon AC. We get the value of B B3 by this. This value comes 6.45 meter. Therefore, height of signal at B will be 6.45 meter. This height of signal B B3. Thank you.